If you need to share an important email with someone else, whether it's a document or a receipt or an update, Yahoo Mail makes this process simple with its forward feature, so which lets you copy an email directly to another person's inbox, and it ensures that the recipient gets the exact message that you received, including attachments. So in order to do this, go to mail.yahoo.com, log into your account, and after that, go ahead and open an email that you want to forward. You will be seeing two arrows in the top of the screen, among which the left one is reply and the right one is forward. Go ahead and tap on forward, or you can also press F in your keyboard. Once you do that, you need to go ahead and enter an email address that you want to send. Then scroll down and tap on send, which is highlighted in purple color in the bottom left corner of your screen, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. This is how you can go ahead and forward any email. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.